In this video, I will show you how to change the language on FuboTV. So if your language is in a language that you don't want it to be in, here's how you can gonna change it. For example, here it's in Spanish. So it kind of depends on which device you are using. Now right now I am on the website on desktop, and if you are also on desktop, then in the browser you are using, often in the top right you can click on the three dots and then click on translate. So I'm gonna click translate and then just gonna put it to English, and then everything will be in English. So that's for in case you're using the website. Now if you're on the mobile app, for example on iPhone, just go to settings and then general, then go to the language and region section, tap iPhone language and choose your desired language, then restart the FuboTV app and it will then be in that language. For Android, also go to settings, then system, languages and input, then languages, then drag your preferred language to the top and restart the FuboTV app, and then it will also be changed. Now to change the audio language, so while watching, if a program supports multiple languages, you can switch the audio track. So on web, mobile or smart TV, start playing the show or event, click or tap the gear icon or settings, then select audio and subtitles, and under audio, choose your preferred language, for example English or Spanish, and the stream will update instantly. So that's how to change the FuboTV language on different devices and in different ways. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.